Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to find Facebook deleted posts. If you have deleted a post and you want to restore it, this is exactly the video that you are looking for. So let's get started right now. So what you want to do, guys, you want to open your Facebook and you want to click the menu at the very bottom right, and after that you want to scroll down a little bit and click settings and privacy here, and then you want to click settings again, the first option, which is settings, and you scroll down a little bit until you see this. I am going to until you see activity log. Just click activity log, you will see it under your information. Just click activity log, and here if you want to see deleted posts, just click trash, and here you will see deleted post. If you want to restore it, just click the three little dots and in the right, if you can see it in the top right, just click the little dots and then click restore to profile and then click restore. So if you click restore, then you will get it back, but keep in mind you are only going to get photos that you have deleted for the last 30 days. So if it exceeded 30 days, you are not going to get it. That's exactly the privacy of Facebook. That's how it works. So if this video helped you, please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.